Hey, what's going on, guys? Vince Reed here, and I want to welcome you to NetDivvy TV. And we're going to start a two-part training series very quickly. I'm going to be teaching you guys some mobile list building strategies. Right now, as traffic continues to change, as people are always looking for new ways to generate leads, I wanted to show you guys a strategy that I use to generate leads leveraging mobile. So let's jump right into it, and you can see here's the game plan. I'm going to give you a demo on how you can generate leads with your mobile phone. I'm going to teach you how to build a mobile landing page, and tomorrow I'll teach you actually how to place ads on mobile ad networks so you can start to build a list. And let's go ahead and get started. All right, so let me give you a live demo of how mobile works. Now, maybe you have been playing on let's say an application or a game, or just doing something on your phone, and you see those little ads that show up on the top or the bottom of your phone. Sometimes they look like banner ads, sometimes they're even text ads. Well, those ads can be placed with mobile ad networks, and literally you can have it to where when someone clicks on that little ad on the phone, let's say they're playing a video game or they're doing something, just having fun on their phone, searching around, you can have it where if someone clicks on that, a mobile optimized landing page pops up that fits directly on the phone. So now the person can put in their email and you can build a huge list fast. Now, there are a lot more people that essentially leverage a cell phone. I mean, I'm pretty sure you probably have your phone on you right now. So this is a great way to generate leads. Now, I will tell you, this is an awesome strategy, and I've had days where I've generated hundreds of leads, and I've had days where I've placed the same ads and generated no leads. That's kind of the problem with mobile. It really depends on, who's looking at their phone at that certain time and what you're essentially targeting and what your message is. But the cool thing is it's worth, I should say, the calculated risk, because you can literally get clicks for 1 to 3 cents. So extremely affordable when placing these ads. So when they click on the ad, it goes to your mobile optimized landing page, which you can actually create inside of NetDivvy, which I'll show you how to do here in a second. And so what that means to be mobile optimized is if you drive someone to a regular landing page on their phone, it won't look right. They'll have to scroll around and find the opt-in. A mobile optimized landing page fits right on the phone. So the person can literally just click it, it fits perfectly on the phone, and they can opt in. All right, so the leads go into your autoresponder. So you can connect this mobile optimized landing page to your autoresponder, and then what happens is the customer gets home and checks their email, and then that is when you're able to essentially deliver to them what you promised them, whether it's your business opportunity, whether it's you teaching them how to make money, whether it's a training course, whether it's affiliate products. It doesn't matter. You're able to promote it to them, and this is just another way and another thing that you can add to your arsenal of tools in terms of you generating leads. All right, so what I'm going to do right now is show you how to build a mobile optimized landing page. Now, there's several ways to do it, and you actually can do it inside of the NetDivvy system. And I don't do a lot of training in terms of teaching people how to do this, so I figured why not start a little series to show you how powerful this is. All right, now there's two parts to doing this. There's going to be one part in terms of you creating the form inside of Aweber, and the second part is you essentially linking that form to the NetDivvy system. All right, now again, you can get mobile optimized landing pages built. You can go to Odesk, you can go, there's other software out there that will build mobile optimized landing pages, but we built it into the NetDivvy system to allow our members to use them. So for example, if I click create a new landing page, all I have to do is now title the page. We'll just title this landing page, let's see, demo. We'll call it mobile demo. All right, we'll call it mobile demo 1. And then I'll come down here and pick my template, and you can see mobile pages. So I click on mobile pages, and what it's going to do is it's going to essentially just populate my Aweber. So you can see it's saying Aweber. Now if I click select right here, it's asking me for the page title and the JavaScript snippet. So this is where I'm going to go back over to my Aweber account, and you can see I've created a form here. I'm in the form area. So if you don't have Aweber, you definitely are going to have an Aweber account to do this. And what I did was I just created a list, and I'm assuming we are all a little bit more advanced and know how to basically create a list in Aweber. If not, there's also training all over the internet on how to create a web form. But essentially, you create a list in Aweber, you go to web forms, and now it gives you all of these templates. And as you can see, what I like to do is I click on show more, and I'm going to go to where it says money. And now it brings up a lot of forms that have money on it. All right, so I'm going to go ahead, I'm just going to select this one right here that has the bag of money. And I'm going to go ahead and click load template. And what I typically like to do now, the landing page is going to get resized to fit perfectly on the mobile phone within the NetDivvy system when we add the Java snippet. Okay, but when I'm creating it, I like to widen it just a little bit just to make sure it fits the corners, because now they make a lot of different types of phones, and on certain phones there may be like a little edge. So I like to basically take the size and just widen it just a tad. Just basically grab it, take it, open it just a little bit, and it seems to work a little bit better. So you can see all I did was I came here and I basically typed in 10 free tips to making money online. What I'm going to do right here is change the background color so it pops a little bit more. We'll change it to white. So now you can see it says 10 free tips to make money online. And obviously you could play around with the text. You could even add an image above that. And I'm going to hit save. Now I already deleted the name. What I like to get is just the email, because on someone's phone you don't want to capture a lot of information, because you will lower your opt-in rate. So what I do is I just get the email. I have submit here. I leave this blank, and literally I'm good to go. So if I click save web form, okay, and basically if I go to step 2 and basically save that, and it's going to just have a custom thank you page which says thank you for subscribing, and go to step 3. If I click on I will install my web form, all I've got to do is go to my Java snippet, grab this snippet, right click it and copy it, and then if I come back over here to NetDivvy, all I've got to do is paste that snippet right here. Now for page title and page landing page title, and it also says it says page title required. The difference is this landing page title is basically what you see when you're scrolling through all of your landing pages. Page title is actually what you see in the URL. So I'll just put mobile 1. All right, so mobile 1. So I click save changes, and literally now we've created a mobile optimized landing page. So when the person clicks on it, it's going to look like the page we just created. So if I click view, you'll notice that it looks a little weird, maybe a little small, but when I grab this URL right here, okay, when I grab this URL and I input it into the ad network that we're going to use, it's going to resize this to fit right on the phone. So that's what it'll look like. Imagine you putting your phone, it's going to squeeze that down and make it fit perfectly right on the phone and make it mobile optimized. All right, so now you have a mobile landing page that quick, and you can create unlimited mobile capture pages and build a huge list. All right, so the next thing we're going to do tomorrow is I'm actually going to show you how to place mobile ads in different ad networks, so you can start to build a list quickly. All right, so hopefully you got a ton of value, and building mobile optimized lead capture pages is very simple. A lot of times people who have gotten kicked off of Google are getting just as many leads leveraging mobile because again, mobile is extremely powerful because there's so many more people with mobile, and there's a lot of different mobile ad networks that you can use. So even if you can't use something like AdMob, you could use something like an AdPhonic and different sites, which we'll cover tomorrow. All right, so hopefully you got a ton of value, and tomorrow I'll be back to teach you how to actually take that landing page and start to go into the mobile ad networks and start to place ads so you can build a huge list and promote your products and services. My name is Vince Reed, and I'll see you on the internet. Take care.